my rant on spam. Twitter has released as a feature the ability for any follower to DM people. So if you're following a Twitter account, you have the ability now to direct message that account, which in my mind is not a feature, but opening the floodgates to more DM spam. It's already horrible enough. I get tons of DM spam, and now I'm just going to get more. Thanks for that. Without fixing the problem, Twitter could easily apply some filters to get rid of most of that DM spam and fix that problem before they open up the floodgates to more of it. Please. I hope I can turn it off.
You do have to wonder what they were thinking, and for those of you who don't know, DM is direct message, and the value of it is that if somebody is following you and you're following them, you can direct message off the platform. So now anybody can send you a direct message. That defeats the purpose of having them altogether. You know, what were they thinking? And plus there's all these people who are spammers and bots who follow you already, and you have to kind of manually get rid of them. So Twitter's got a spam problem, and it's got to deal with that. That brings us to the end of another episode of the Beyond Social Media Show. And we missed you, Albert, and we'll see you next week. And in the meantime, please visit our YouTube page, the Beyond Social Media Show YouTube page. The link is on. Oops. The link is on the bottom of the event page right now, and you can find me, BL Achman, at What's Next blog, and on Twitter as @What'sNext. You'll find David Erickson at eStrategyBlog.com, eStrategy TV, on YouTube, on Twitter he's D Erickson, and we are really thanking those of you who've joined us, and we look forward to seeing you again next week. Thank you.